Di ko makakalimutan din yun kasi 1999, that was the closest ng Philippines
Yes.
to winning the Miss Universe.
26 years daw yung drought that time.
Yes.
From Margie Moran.
Diba? Pag nakikita mo yung photos na yan, ano nare-remind ka?
I'm reminded of God's destiny for our lives. I really believe God has a special plan for each of us. And young as we are, God has already planted dreams in our hearts. So kung anong pangarap natin o kabataan tayo, especially if it's for something good, especially if it will glorify God, God already plants that in the hearts of everyone.
So yung declaration na magiging beauty queen ako paglaki ko, galing na kay God yung dream na yun.
Siguro,
Kaya
kaya yung naging dream ko noon eh.
na-fulfill mo lahat.
By God's grace.
Oh,
So,
diba?
yung Beauty Queens, 5 years old ako, 7 years old ako, nanonood lang ako ng lunch date. Si Randy Santiago, ini-interview niya si Dante Varona. Tapos, habang nag-interview sila kasi pinopromote nga yung show niya, parang may impression sa heart ko na one day I'm going to work for TV. Tapos nung 9 years old ako, naalala ko nasa isa kong cathedral in Pampanga. Tapos na-overwhelmed lang talaga ako ng gratitude that I was given life. So pangarap ko, sabi ko, Lord, one day gusto kong maging doctor so that I can also give others a chance at life.
Tapos lahat yun nangyari sa'yo, no?
Lahat yan, naging beauty queen ako, nakapag-work ako sa TV, and physical therapy yung pinursu ko as a pre-med course. Na-practice ko yung physical therapy for a while, pero na-intercept ng pagiging beauty queen.